This is AUVON's 10s unit device. So for all these units, we are not going to actually put the pads on us to test them out, because everyone needs to read their manuals, because if you put it on the wrong place, you can actually cause some problems. So please read your manuals 100% and follow the manuals. But it's pretty simple on how these actually work. I will show you guys a little bit here. So show you guys what you got, what you're getting. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. Now it's a little tough to see. In person it's easy to see this screen, but on camera it's a little hard for you guys to actually see this. It makes it there you go. So you guys can see it a lot better here. Your display screen, and you can change your settings and go through all these different things. All these, issues, let's just call them, that you may have. And it's pretty simple. You take your cable, you connect it. A1, you take this piece, you connect it to your pads, place your pads, connect all of them, and then go ahead and turn it on and actually use it. Again, because of the nature of these devices, you need to read your manual fully. I know a lot of things you guys can skip and manuals for most things, but when it comes to health, you guys need to read your manual. That's why we don't show you. We used to show people, how to use it and set it up, and people were doing it wrong and then, causing issues. So you guys need to read the manual.